Oranges have numerous health benefits. They are packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. Mangoes are rich in vitamins, which support a healthy immune system and promote good vision. Mangoes also contain dietary fiber. Pineapples are packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Pineapples also contain bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Freshly squeezed fruit juices are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support overall health and boost the immune system.